Have you ever wondered how the glass around us is made? From windows to bottles, the process is truly mind-blowing. Welcome to our journey through the factory process of glass making. Glass is everywhere, yet its creation is an ancient process, modernized by incredible factory technology. Let's uncover the secrets behind this fascinating material. We'll break down the production into 4 main stages: preparation, melting, forming, and finishing. Starting with the most fundamental part, the ingredients. Glass starts with simple raw materials: silica sand, soda ash, and limestone. These are the core components that transform into clear, solid glass. The raw ingredients must be mixed, prepared, and then subjected to extreme heat to transform from solids into a liquid state. The carefully measured ingredients are mixed into what is called the batch. This mix often includes recycled glass, known as cullet, to aid in melting and sustainability. This batch is fed into a massive furnace and heated to an astonishing 1,700 degrees Celsius. This intense heat is necessary to fully melt the silica sand. At this extreme temperature, the raw materials fuse together, creating a clear, homogeneous liquid known as molten glass, ready for the next stage. For flat glass, like what is used in windows, the float glass method is the standard. This innovative process ensures perfectly smooth, parallel surfaces. The molten glass is gently poured onto a large, shallow bath of molten tin. Glass is lighter than tin, so it floats, creating a continuous ribbon. The molten tin provides a perfectly flat base, allowing gravity and surface tension to create an incredibly smooth, uniform sheet of glass as it slowly cools. Next, the glass enters the annealing layer, a long oven that slowly and precisely cools the glass to relieve internal stresses, preventing it from cracking or shattering later. Once cooled, the solid glass ribbon moves on to the final stages of processing, where it is cut, shaped, and rigorously inspected. Automated cutters slice the continuous ribbon into specified dimensions for various products, from large window panes to smaller custom shapes. Each piece undergoes strict quality control checks to ensure flawless clarity, thickness, and dimensions, guaranteeing a premium product. From sand to a seamless sheet, the process of making glass is a marvel of chemistry and industrial engineering. It's a mind-blowing journey from basic minerals through incredible heat to the transparent and versatile material we rely on every day. The next time you look through a window or pick up a glass bottle, take a moment to appreciate the fascinating factory process that made it possible.